Hello everybody, I am Lauren Kelly from It's the Kellys, and today's video is going to be all about going through security at the airport. I am here to help you today, whether you are a first timer, whether you're a seasoned traveler, or whether you haven't traveled lately and just need a refresher. These tips can help you not be that guy at the airport. Please don't be that guy. Here on this channel, we show you how to pack, travel hacks to get there, airport hacks, all sorts of things, and then we showcase our travels while we are out, travel vlog style. If that sounds like something you would like to see, please hit that subscribe button down below. Of course, like this video and comment if you have a comment or a question. We love hearing from you guys. Our motto on this channel is travel often and pack well. We are here to help. Okay, so let's get started with the do's and don'ts. Number one is going to be do get PreCheck or global entry. I can't stress this enough. It is such a good deal. Every time I look at the line of normal security, I'm like, why don't you guys have PreCheck? I don't understand. PreCheck is a trusted traveler program. All you have to do is apply online. PreCheck is $85 for 5 years, and global entry is $100 for 5 years. The difference between the two, PreCheck will get you through easier at an airport for security, and then global entry will get you back into your country easier without really having to go through a customs line. And I really do recommend global entry because it's only a few dollars more, and global entry includes PreCheck. Now, you're not going to have to take off your shoes, belt, your laptop, your liquids. You just breeze on through because you are a trusted traveler. Now, I don't exactly want you to stop this video and go apply, but when you're done with this video, go apply. According to the TSA website, people that have PreCheck only spend 5 minutes in line and going through security. That is insane. Okay, number 2 is do be prepared. Have your ID or your passport on you at all times, and have your boarding pass on you at all times. You're gonna need this throughout the airport regardless, but especially in security. Even if you have it on your phone, save your boarding pass to your favorites or your Apple Wallet or whatever the Android version of that is, and have it always ready to go to scan. Now, I always travel with a printed boarding pass version, and it's just good to always have it out and always be ready. Have it in hand when you're waiting in line at security. It just makes things so much easier. Number 3 is do give yourself some extra time. Are you flying at Christmas? Are you flying at spring break? Are you flying at a really busy time? Are you traveling with kids? You're going to need extra time in security, and the lines might be extra long. I always say for domestic flights, get there maybe 2 hours early if you're not checking a bag. If you are checking a bag, which you probably shouldn't, go ahead and give yourself a little bit extra time. If you're flying internationally or checking a bag, I would probably do 3 hours. I always arrive to airports at least 3 hours early, but mainly because I want to be in the lounge for 3 hours before my flight. That's another video. Number 4 is a no-brainer, but it is do not bring prohibited items. If this is your first time flying and you don't know what a prohibitive item is, go to tsa.gov and you can look. And even if you just kind of want some good entertainment, go to tsa.gov because they have hundreds of pages of items that you can learn whether or not you can bring them on a flight in a carry-on bag or a checked bag, and some of them are really entertaining to see. Number 5 is do pack strategically. So you're probably gonna have a backpack or something as a personal item as you are going through security, as well as your carry-on bag if you're anything like me. So anything you're going to need to take out, such as a clear bag of liquids or a tablet or a laptop, do pack it accordingly. Don't put this stuff in your zipped carry-on luggage. Put it in your personal item. If you don't have a personal item and you only have the little thing of luggage, then take it all out beforehand so you don't have to unzip your luggage at the security line and put it through. It just makes things a lot easier. You know what you're going to have to take out and deal with, so just go ahead and take it out beforehand. It'll save you and all the people behind you a whole bunch of time. Now, with that being said, number 6 is do plan your outfit. So if you do not have PreCheck, you're going to have to take off a hat, a jacket, belt, shoes, any type of metal jewelry, anything like that. So do dress smart when you know you're going to be flying all day. Take things out of your pockets. Put things in your personal item. I take my jacket off before I get in line. If you have shoes that have a lot of buckles or ties, don't wear them or untie them as you're getting in line, so you don't have to stand there and untie them while a whole bunch of people wait behind you. Just wear smart clothes. You want to be comfortable when you're traveling anyway, right? I have also been patted down when I've had hair extensions in because of the little metal clips that attach the hair. So ladies, if you've got that weave, don't be offended if they pat you down. Number 7 is a total pet peeve of mine. Do not readjust everything while your bag is still on the conveyor belt. If you just had to go through security and you had to take your hat off and your coat off and your belt off and your shoes off, and then you had to take out your laptop and you had to take out your liquids and you had to take out your tablet, and then it finally goes through the x-ray sitting on the conveyor belt, just grab everything and go that way. Because if you are getting redressed and repacking your bag right after it comes out the x-ray, you're holding up the line, everyone else's bags can't come through, and it is absolutely really obnoxious. That's being that guy. Nobody will like you. Take your stuff, move on, and then take the bin back right after. It just makes so much sense. You will make everyone a lot happier if you get redressed and repacked over there. Number 8 is do not forget the 3-1-1 rule. Now that applies to your liquids. This has been a rule since 2001. We're all pretty used to it by now, but every single day I still get questions about what you can or can't take on an airplane liquid-wise. If you are doing a carry-on and not a checked bag, which I always recommend, you know that you can only have 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters of a liquid in a 1 quart size clear bag. So they made a little saying for it, 3-1-1. It sounds cooler than 3.411. 3 ounces, 1 bag, 1 quart. That's all you have to do. Liquids are liquids, gels, aerosols, and pastes. Like peanut butter is a liquid, cream cheese is a liquid. I don't know why you'd be traveling with food, but it's a liquid, okay? America, when you're flying domestically, is sometimes a little bit easier with those rules. They're a little bit more lenient, but you don't want to find out that you're going to have a pickier TSA agent when you've packed all of this expensive skincare or expensive makeup. So just follow the rules. It makes it a lot easier. And with that being said, chug your water before you get through security. Just chug it and then bring an empty bottle through and refill it, and then you'll have all of your water while you're traveling. If you have a larger bottle of something with only a little bit of liquid in it, the bottle has to be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters as well. So keep that in mind. Number 9 is do not get upset if they flag you. Maybe you have something in your bag that they just need to take a second look at in person instead of in the x-rays. Maybe you got selected for additional screening where they might pat down your hands or pat down your head. That's okay. Don't stress out about it. It happens to everyone. It's happened to me, it's happened to Brian, it's happened to Nolan. It's just going to happen. They need to keep you safe. Number 10 is my final tip. It's do respect the agents. I know that you're stressed. I know that it's a time constraint. I know that you're worried about making your flight. I know that it's a lot to deal with, but they're simply just doing their job. And it would be just like somebody coming into your work and yelling or stressing at you. Go through, hand them your ID and your boarding pass, smile, ask them how their day is. Maybe they'll be nice, maybe they won't. Either way, just go through, make things easier, and then just head on to your gate. Okay, they are at work, so let's just be nice people. All right, so that is it for my do's and don'ts of going through airport security. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that is helpful. Again, whether you have never flown before, whether you're a seasoned traveler, or whether you haven't traveled in a few years and need a little refresher course, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us out, and we are here all the time for more helpful videos for you so that you can travel often and you can pack well. Again, comment below if you have a question. I am happy to help you answer it. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.